Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Elementor from WordPress. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, switching to a different page builder, or simply taking a break from using Elementor, knowing how to properly deactivate it is essential for managing your WordPress site effectively. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all aspects of your website. Simply navigate to your site's login page and enter your credentials to access the backend of your WordPress installation. Once you're inside the dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find a list of menu options. Look for the one labeled plugins and click on it. This section houses all the plugins installed on your WordPress site, whether they're active or inactive. From the submenu that appears, select Installed Plugins. This action will take you to a comprehensive list of every plugin currently installed on your website, making it easy to manage them all from one central location. Now you'll need to locate Elementor in your list of plugins. Depending on how many plugins you have installed, you might need to scroll through the list or use the search function to find it quickly. Elementor should appear with its recognizable icon and name, making it relatively easy to spot among your other plugins. Once you've found Elementor, look directly underneath the plugin name where you'll see several action links. Click on Deactivate. This is the key step that will turn off Elementor's functionality on your WordPress site without completely removing the plugin from your system. Deactivating rather than deleting is often the safer choice, especially if you think you might want to reactivate it in the future or if you have existing pages built with Elementor that you want to preserve. After clicking Deactivate, you may be prompted with a feedback form asking why you're deactivating the plugin. If this pop-up appears, you'll see an option that says Skip and Deactivate. Go ahead and click this button. This allows you to bypass the feedback form and complete the deactivation process immediately without having to provide a reason. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deactivated Elementor from your WordPress site. The plugin will now be inactive, though it will remain installed on your system if you ever decide to reactivate it later. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.